If you want to delete contacts saved in WhatsApp, the process is very simple. WhatsApp itself does not store contact directly. It shows the contact that are already saved in your phone contact. That means you need to remove the contact from your device contact app. First, open WhatsApp and find the contact you want to delete. Tap on the chat. Then tap the person name at the top to open their profile. Next, tap the three-dot menu and choose View to Address Book or Edit Contact. This will open phone contact app. From the tap Delete Contact and confirm the action. After deleting the contact, go back to WhatsApp. The name may still appear for few moments. To refresh it, open WhatsApp, tap the new chat icon, then tap the three dots and choose Refresh. The delete contact will now disappear from your contact list in WhatsApp. If you still have previous chats with that person, the chat will remain but the saved name will be removed and only the phone number will appear. This method works on both Android and iPhone device and only takes a minute to complete. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.